What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the speaker volume on your iPhone, whether it's the iPhone's own speaker or an external speaker connected to your device. To adjust the speaker volume on your iPhone, start by using the physical volume buttons on the left side of your device. The upper button increases the volume, while the lower button decreases it. These buttons are the quickest way to modify volume levels, whether you're inside an app or your home screen. However, if pressing these buttons doesn't change the volume, but instead changes the ringer tone, you might need to check a setting. Open the Settings app on your device. Go to Sounds and Haptics and look for the ringtone and alerts section. Here, ensure the Change with Buttons option is toggled off. This setting allows your volume buttons to control the ringtone and alert volumes. But in case you want to keep this option enabled for some reason, but still want to change the volume of your iPhone device on the go, know that there is a way to achieve this. For more flexible control, use the Control Center. Simply swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen to access it. Here, you'll find a volume slider that you can adjust by dragging up or down. This method is particularly useful when you want to change the volume without interrupting what's on your screen. If you're using connected devices like Bluetooth speakers or headphones, the Control Center allows you to adjust their volume directly. Just make sure your device is properly connected and recognized by your iPhone. In case you're encountering issues with volume control on connected devices, start by disconnecting and then reconnecting your device to clear any minor connection bugs. Check if there's an option on your connected device to allow volume control from your iPhone. Enable it if needed. If problems persist, a quick restart of your iPhone might be necessary. To do this, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, followed by a long press of the power button until the power off slider appears. Slide to turn off, then turn your device back on by holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.